Hey guys, it's me, I just wanted to say that um, I want to teach you how to make a paper airplane. So using the Google I didn't really know a video about it. So this is my PC. I'm putting it with the laptop, not a camera. So yeah, now I see if you guys can see good. You know what? I can't really do this thing. Here, go like that. Go like this. You put it down, like this. And I gotta be something like this, and like, like that. And like that. And there you go. Mm-hmm. Fire. Maybe how good. There it goes. There it goes. See how fast it goes. It's really fast. Really, really, really fast. Come on. Not super fast, but it goes. Ready, set, go. Sorry, that was just a tissue. So yeah. Alright, so here it is. Here you go. There it is. How to make it.